Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So a lot of people are making money using artificial intelligence, and making money online with artificial intelligence is now easiest than ever. So why are you not making money with artificial intelligence? So today I will share the secret strategy to make money using artificial intelligence, using AI generated art, using AI generated graphics. So I have done lots of research about this, and lots of people are making huge money using artificial intelligence, AI generated art, AI generated graphics. So I will show you how you can start this business and how you can make money using AI generated art and AI generated graphics. So let's go to my computer screen, and this is simple concept. You don't need to do any other thing. You can just start making money using AI generated art and using AI generated graphics. So let's go to my computer screen and I will show you all those details in detail. So first of all, I will show you how you can generate AI generated art, how you can create AI generated arts and graphics. So there are some websites like Dalet3, or you can use Art Breeder or many other websites to create art, to generate different graphics using artificial intelligence. So what I will do is I will use copilot.microsoft.com. This is a Dalet3 extension. This is Dalet3 model. You can use Dalet3 if you have ChatGPT, paid version of ChatGPT. You can use Dalet3 with your ChatGPT paid plan. But if you don't have the ChatGPT paid version, what you can do is you can just sign up on this copilot.microsoft.com. This is free for some credits, like you can generate different images using this Copilot. You can, if I show you from here, like these are some different products, these are some different arts that I have used, I have created with this copilot.microsoft.com. So this is Dalet3, powered by Dalet3. Like you can see that this is a wonderful image that this Dalet3, this Microsoft Copilot has created for me. So now as you can see that a mystery cat with vibrant colors walking towards a camera. So you have to build your expertise in these prompts, like what you have to write, what you have to give the prompt, what like you can see that generate an image of a misty cat with vibrant colors walking towards the camera. So you have to get a good experience to give prompts to these AI bots, AI chat bots, so that it will generate the best image for you as per your prompt. So you can just give this prompt, generate an image of something with something or by something, like any prompt you can give it to this Microsoft Copilot, and it will create an image. It will create 4 images like this one, and what you can do is now you can just download this image from here, and what you can do is now I will show you. As you can see that you can just click on this download button and the picture is downloaded here. So what you can do is you can click on this customize, or you can edit this picture with Illustrator or with Photoshop to enhance the pictures resolution, or you can use AI pictures to enhance the resolution of this image. I have made another video about enhancing pictures resolution with free tools and with paid tools. You can watch those videos and you can enhance the resolution of this image. Why? Because you are gonna sell this image to make money with this art, with these graphics. So how can you sell these images? Why people will buy these images? So this is kind of painting, like if I show you here. So the main concept here is you can use different AI chatbots like Dalet3 or Art Breeder or any other AI generated AI image generation tools. Then you can use those arts, you can use those graphics to sell those graphics on different platforms that I will share in a bit, the platforms. So you can sell those products in PDF file, and people will print those files, people will download and print those files, and you get some money. So this is how people are making thousands of dollars using AI generated arts and AI generated graphics. So now what I will do is you have to get the experience of writing prompts, and if you get the best image from here, there are some sites like Etsy digital art. So you have to sign up on this Etsy digital art, and then you have to list your product here on Etsy.com, and people will start purchasing your product. Like as you can see that Misty Meow, this is an animal, not so much like 0.82 US dollar, but you don't have to ship the product to this person, anyone who buys it. You just have to send the file, PDF file of your product. Like you can see that this is $2.25, this is $19, $0.82, $12.28, and $18.9. So you have to get the best image from these AI chatbots, and then you can just list those products, list those AI generated arts here on Etsy or some other marketplaces, and then you can start making money by selling them on these marketplaces. So this is the most simple way to make money online using artificial intelligence, using AI generated art, using AI generated graphics. You just have to you just have to get the experience of writing prompts, and you just have to get the experience of enhancing the resolution of your picture so that it will look good on the print. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.